Hi, thanks for joining me today on our YouTube channel, Flippin Hippos. I'm Star, and today I just kind of want to introduce you to a new concept I'm going to be doing in 2026. It's going to be called Tutorial Tuesdays. I know that's very exciting and inventive and creative, but every Tuesday I will be coming out with a different tutorial. I had kind of thought about at the end of 2025 doing brand new playlists on eBay, Poshmark, List Perfectly, all the things for resellers with tutorials from start to finish on how to sell on these different platforms, how to use List Perfectly. But it was really overwhelming and daunting to have to film all those videos in 1 month to drop for the new year in January. So I thought, well, what if I just kind of did one a week and spread it out over a year and took requests? And that kind of seems to be the answer. So this Tuesday, hi, you're just seeing me talk about the concept, but moving forward on Tutorial Tuesdays, I will have a different tutorial every week. Sometimes it will be something very basic, like which eBay store is right for me. Sometimes it may be very advanced on how to set up your categories in eBay, or how to use AI and List Perfectly, or how to use bulk editing and List Perfectly. It's going to vary, and I'm just going to pop around. I actually have very extensive lists for everything I want to do, but I'm just going to pop around between the different platforms and List Perfectly itself and kind of pick from beginning to end, hard, small, so that there's something for everybody every week. If you're a beginner, if you're new to reselling and you're just discovering me on YouTube, you'll find beginner videos. And if you're more advanced or new to List Perfectly, you'll find stuff you need as well. I would like to hear from you guys, though. It's most important that I'm connecting with you and teaching you and showing you things that you want to learn. It's all good for me to have a list and just work down it and do these tutorials. But if it's not anything any of you are interested in or have the need to learn at the moment, what am I doing here? I'm here to teach you guys, right? I'm here to show you things. I am more than happy to take any requests, share my screen, and show you how to do something. So that all said, in the comment section down below, which is for you guys, if you have something you've been struggling with or just would like to see me share my screen and show you how I do something or learn how to do something new, let me know. And it will be included as soon as possible. I will always make it a preferential treatment. Let me rephrase that. I will always give preferential treatment to any requests in the comments from the viewers and my friends that watch this. And then if I don't have any requests that week, it'll just be randomly picked from those lists that I talked about. But otherwise, I would like to cater this series and this playlist to you guys. So I guess if you have anything you want to learn, know, see me do, see a screen share on, be explained about, walked through, let me know and I will get it up. I will be doing a lot of List Perfectly when I don't have requests. Just a fair warning. I am an affiliate with List Perfectly, and I do make money when people sign up with my affiliate link. But most importantly, I use LP. And I'm not just in it to give you my affiliate link, although that is a nice perk. I use it every day for every step of my reselling. And I would kind of be lost without it. And I'm sure you hear me talk about it all the time. I use the AI for this. I do this with LP. So it's just a big part of my life. So it will always be something that I'm constantly sharing with you guys so you can see the benefits of using List Perfectly. But I will also be covering the other platforms and most importantly, making it a priority to get to the things that you guys want to see. So let me know in the comments. And then if you have any questions about anything else, concerns, that's what the comment section is for. Thanks for watching today, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.